Hi, my name is Deborah Kiak-Franson. I'm the Associate Vice President for Digital Education and Engagement here at the University of Colorado System. I'm also the proud Executive Director of the Colorado Learning and Teaching with Technology Conference, or COLTT. We're so glad that you're interested in crafting a successful proposal for COLTT 2019. And do we ever have some great tips for how you can do this? So let's get started. Our COLTT community is a fantastic group of people. Faculty, librarians, instructors, IT staff, academic technologists, learning designers, and other professionals and students from all types of post-secondary institutions. We're eager to hear from colleagues like you, and we expect to leave the conference with something new we can put into practice right away. So let's begin at the beginning. Give your session a great title. Scanning titles is how many COLTT folks pick the sessions they'll attend. A great title can help you draw a great crowd. If inspiration strikes, have some fun with your title. But whatever you do, make it clear from the title what your session is all about. Here are some good titles we've seen recently. Next, tighten your abstract. Abstracts help COLTT reviewers decide which sessions will be most meaningful to COLTT attendees. Be concise, be clear about what the session is about and who will get the most out of it. And it's probably a good idea to ask a friend to read your abstract to make sure it makes sense to someone other than you. Then, be sure to write strong session outcomes. You should describe well and clearly what COLTT folks will be able to do after attending your session. Look up Bloom's taxonomy to find strong action verbs like evaluate, create, demonstrate. Avoid weak verbs like learn and understand. And also plan to engage your audience. Passive listening is in the past. A session that features only lecturing by you with Q&A just at the end isn't really the engagement that COLTT attendees are looking for. COLTT folks want to see elements of engagement kind of integrated throughout all of the conference sessions they attend. So be sure to describe how you'll do this. Will it be live voting, kinetic activities, a minute of quiet time to gather thoughts before contributing? Let us know if you'll be recording contributions or having a competition, throwing out prizes, or even riding wild Mustangs together. Once you've done all this great work on your session proposal, please be sure to submit it in on time. Your colleagues are chomping at the bit to hear from you. Show our reviewers that you have the session it takes to make COLTT worth coming to and coming back to. Thanks. We look forward to your proposal and to seeing you at COLTT 2019, August 8th and 9th on the Boulder campus. Visit us on the interwebs at www.cu.edu/COLTT.